Hello children, today we will discuss our next topic of Olympiad and this topic is food. We will discuss about food in this topic. So food is very important for us. So now let's discuss about importance of food. The food we consist of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. These substances together are called nutrients. So children, what are nutrients? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. All these are nutrients. And we need nutrients. Why we need nutrients? For energy to perform our daily tasks. Okay? To grow, to repair our body, to protect us from infections and disease. So these are the reasons for which we need food. And within food there are so many nutrients. Now let's come to carbohydrates. Our first nutrient we will discuss is carbohydrates. So my dear children, carbohydrates are energy giving foods. Okay? If you will consume carbohydrates food, you will get energy to do work. What are the sources of carbohydrates food? See, you can see some example: potato, rice, sugar, wheat also. All these are carbohydrate food. All the sweet food, they provide us carbohydrates. Then our next nutrient is fat. So fat gives us energy. Fats are required but not in excess. Okay children? So what is the use of fat in our body? They give us energy. And one more thing, carbohydrates also give us energy and fat also give us energy. But fat gives us more energy than carbohydrates. Nearly 2 times more energy you will get in fat as compared to carbohydrates. And fat is required in very less amount. Okay? And if you get excess fat, then what happens? It will get stored in your body and clog our blood vessel, resulting in heart disease. So our blood vessel will be clogged by fat. Okay? If you consume more fat. And you will be also fat. Your weight will also gain. When you will be fat, that is called obesity, What are the example of fats? Nuts, cheese, chocolates, whole eggs, meat, oils and ghee. So if you are consuming more oils, more ghee, all these things in more amount, you will be fat, okay? Next, our next nutrient is protein. Proteins are bodybuilding food. They help in repair and growth of the body. So protein makes our body. They make blood, they make bone, they make muscle. Okay? What are the example of protein? Eggs, fish, meat, cheese, chicken. Okay? Soybean. My dear children, I have not written here soybean, but soybean is also a rich source of protein. Okay, pulses. Whatever pulses you eat, dal. Pulses means dal. Whatever pulses you are eating, all those are good source of protein. Okay. You can see the pictures of some protein food. Now let's come to vitamins and minerals. So my dear children, vitamins and minerals protect us from falling sick. That means they protect us from disease. They keep us healthy. They are called protective food. What are the example of vitamins, minerals? Milk, fruits, vegetables. All these are examples of vitamins and minerals. Minerals are needed for strong bones and teeth. Okay, minerals are needed for strong bones and teeth. Just like calcium. Okay, it is calcium and phosphorus. These are very important for your bones. Calcium, phosphorus. You can see different types of vitamins are there. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. Okay, all these are very important for our body. Vitamin A, you know, for our eye, it is important. Okay. Then balanced diet. So my dear children, actually we have to eat all type of nutrients, not only carbohydrate, not only fat, not only protein food. Okay, we have to include all type of food, and that is called balanced diet. Okay, so here it has been written, the food which has all types of nutrients in proper amount is called a balanced diet. You can see, and the example is milk. Milk is a balanced diet. Now let's come to food preservation. That means how can you preserve the food for a long time? Preserve, okay, preserve means actually we have to protect the food from spoiling. That is called preservation. So there are many methods for food preservation. One is drying. Drying means you just dry the food in sunlight. Another is freezing or refrigeration. That means keep inside your fridge. Pickling. Pickling means actually pickles. You add oil, salt, achar जो बनाते हो, that is called pickling. Fermenting. Fermenting means it is the process in which milk is preserved. Fermenting. Then canning. Canning means if you are putting the food in a can, डिब्बा में भरना, that is called canning. Okay. Sweetening, if you put sugar in the food, they last for a long time, that is called sweetening. And salting also, many people use salt on food to preserve them. Okay children, so that's all for this topic. Bye.